Good morning guys, and welcome here to a new video on my channel. So today is our next day and we're driving today from Jodhpur to Udaipur, and on our way we are going to have many highlights. First of all, we are going to drive with a jeep to a Bishnoi tribe, which is here a local tribe. Wow, so the jeep is open and it's pretty awesome. We can see all the people, it's just amazing.
You do what you say that you would. You know I'd do the same if I could, but I guess I just forgot about it. Maybe I'm spread too thin. I meant what I said, don't doubt it. I just don't know where to begin, 'cause I got a to-do list 10 miles long, and I don't know how to do this, but I'ma do it on my own. I'm just working on it. I know I gotta hold on this. Take a shot, no I don't miss. Why can't you see? I'm working on it. I know I gotta hold on this. Take a shot, no I don't miss.
Alright guys, so we just arrived here in the little village and we are going now to have a look at the Bishnois. As I already said, we are now at a Bishnoi tribe village, and the Bishnoi tribe are considered as a conservationist, as a prevention of anemia, and vegetable life is a religion to them. Bishnoi tribes are immigrants from northern parts of India. It was formerly a Hindu sect founded in the state of Punjab. Later it has developed into a caste. Bishnoi tribe inhabits the area around Burma and traces their ancestry to a saint and ascetic named Jahamji, regarded by them as an incarnation of Lord Vishnu, whom they worship. Bishnoi tribe has sizable population in the adjoining areas of Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab and so on. The Bishnois are presently prevalent in the western parts of Rajasthan, and Bishnoi sect was formed by Guru Jain-Temple after a drought in Majha region. He created a community with 29 principles to be followed, and he directed the worship of Lord Vishnu while banning animal killing and cutting of trees. An interesting regional for the name of Bishnoi is that the sect follows 29 doctrines, and the Bishnoi in the local dialect translate to 29. The Bishnois are strict vegetarians, also ardent protectors of trees and wildlife. 10 doctrines among the 29 are directed towards personal hygiene, maintaining good basic health, 7 for healthy, social behavior, and 5 tends to worship God. 8 tends have been prescribed to preserve the biodiversity and encourage good animal husbandry.
Say that you would. You know I'd do the same if I could, but I guess I just forgot about it. Maybe I'm spread too thin. I meant what I said, don't doubt it.
Wow, that was an absolutely awesome experience. Now we are continuing our way and we are going into the jeep. So, let's go.
What I need, no such thing. Take a shot, no I don't miss, no, don't you die.
We are now in a pottery, and as you can see here, you can see all the things which were made. For example, there is a frog and there are many animals, for example an elephant, there are also camels right there, pretty awesome. And that's where they made it. As you can see, it's a kind of stone, and they put a wooden stock and they turn it so that it's very fast, and then they make the things. For example, they are really fresh, they just need to dry out so they can be used. And if we go outside, you can see everything is drying here at the sun, so it goes really fast here because the sun is so hot. We have right now 35 degrees, so it's very hot and it dries so fast, and then it can be used. It is also everything handmade, so there are no machines here.
Working on it. I know I got a hold on this. So take a shot, no I don't miss. Why can't you see? I'm working on it. I know I got a hold on this. Take a shot, no I don't miss. Don't you doubt.
Alright guys, so after our Jeep safari, we are driving now with the bus to our next highlight, the Ranakpur Jain-Temple.
You do what you say that you would. You know I'd do the same if I could, but I guess I just forgot about it. Maybe I'm spread too thin. I meant what I said, don't doubt it. I just don't know where to begin, 'cause I got a to-do list 10 miles long, and I don't know how to do this, but I'ma do it on my own.
So after a very long bus drive, we finally arrived at the Ranakpur Jain-Temple. Dana Shah, a local Jain business person, started construction of the temple in the 15th century following a divine vision. The temple honors Adinath, the first Tinsakar of the present half cycle, according to Jain cosmology. The town of Ranakpur and the temple are named after the provincial ruler monarch Ranakumbha, who supported the construction of the temple. The Ranakpur temple is one of the largest and most important temples of the Jain culture. Light-colored marble has been used for the construction of this grand temple with its distinctive domes, shikahara, turrets and cupolas, which rises majestically from the slope of a hill. 1,444 marble pillars, curved in exquisite detail, support the temple. The pillars are all differently curved and no two pillars are the same. So let's have a look at this incredible temple.
Say that you would. You know I'd do the same if I could, but I guess I just forgot about it. Maybe I'm spread too.
Alright guys, so after a very long bus drive through the mountains, we just arrived here in our hotel. As you can see, this hotel is just amazing. It's night, but it doesn't matter. We looked outside in the yard and in the hotel area, and it was just amazing. Tomorrow we will see the hotel at daylight in MCee's vlog, so stay tuned for that. And tonight we won't do so much. We will just go in the restaurant and have some dinner, and after that we're going to sleep because we must get up very early. So if you liked the video, make sure to give this video a thumb up. You also leave me some comments down below, and you don't forget to subscribe to MCee's and to my channel. Stay tuned for tomorrow, and I'll see you there. Bye!
How'd you get so